welcome back to today's video and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Fabiola and I create all kinds of pink videos. If that's something you love, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. So for today's video, I am going to be reorganizing my entire vanity. I got rid of a bunch of palettes that I no longer needed and makeup, and I just basically decluttered. So I'm going to be reorganizing what I will be using and the things that I have left, and I also want to clear off a little bit of my top vanity counter space because it's just too cluttered, and I did get a new organizer for that, so I'm very excited. So that being said, let's go ahead and get trying to eliminate most of this clutter that's sitting on top of my vanity. It just drives me insane having everything out like this. I just want it to be more put together, more clean, and not so much clutter. Even though I really love being able to see all my makeup and skincare products, I just think it's just a little too much. So I definitely do want to get rid of this little dispenser right here and just tuck those away somewhere. The makeup brushes, I think I do want to leave them out, that they're so pretty, and I do want to leave this little tray out, but not with so much in there. So I'm going to organize it, and for that I did get a adorable little organizer. This is the organizer that I got. It's so pretty. They had this in white and they also had a pink, but I didn't get the pink one because last time I got the pink it was more of a coral color and not really like a pink, and I just didn't want to risk it. So I got the white just because it goes with my vanity. It matches great. What's great about this one is that it has a lighted interior, automatic on and off, which I thought was really cool. It has little drawers. It is battery operated, and I really like the shape. It's so pretty. I like that it's rounded. So we're gonna go ahead and use that and put that in my vanity.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. Do you want this?
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures. I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel this happy. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Staying out on the weekends, I really need something to do.
it for today's video. I really hope you loved it. I love you all so, so much. And I'll see you all in the next time. Bye.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room.